free wood exists, so let's find some and build something with it. Welcome back, guys. Today's mission is simple. Firstly, I'll show you where I get free timber and why I started doing it this way. Then we'll see if I can turn that pile of scrap into something that looks intentional instead of something you would normally walk straight past. I've been running this YouTube channel for 3 years, and in the beginning every spare penny went on tools, which left me with the minor inconvenience of not being able to afford the thing you're actually supposed to build with, timber. So I improvised. I started by collecting pallets because they were free, and free was exactly what my budget could afford. Then I discovered Facebook Marketplace, back when people hadn't completely lost their minds. People used to give away solid wood furniture for nothing, actual hardwood. Nowadays, the same listing says, vintage project, 180 bucks, needs a little love. Translation, 3 broken drawers, water damage, and something growing in the back. So every week I'd drive around town collecting free furniture like some sort of timber-obsessed raccoon. Everyone else saw a knackered dressing table. I saw 20 bucks worth of hardwood, and another excuse to ignore the ever-growing scrap pile already filling the workshop. Today's victim is this old pine furniture. The plan is simple, turn it into usable boards instead of letting it continue its exciting career as landfill. I've saved the best bit for last. Every cut, every rip and all the prep work was done completely free using my off-grid setup. The batteries still got plenty left, and unless the British weather remembers it's supposed to be miserable, the solar panels should have topped it up again in no time. Right, let's move on to today's masterpiece, or a complete disaster. We haven't decided yet. A few of you have told me you'd like to help the channel by leaving a comment, but you never know what to write. So I've solved that problem for everyone. In about 2 minutes, pause the video and leave your best guess about what I'm building. Make it as serious or as ridiculous as you like. If you've got absolutely no idea, just invent something completely random. I'll have a great time reading the comments, and YouTube algorithm seems to enjoy them almost as much as I do. After the response to my last few projects, I've come to one conclusion. Apparently the solution to every woodworking problem is another scrap wood glue-up. So that's exactly what we're doing. I'm cutting the board at an angle, adding a strip of plywood and a bit of oak, simply because I can. I know some of you already cracked your knuckles and are halfway through typing an angry comment about proper woodworking. Carry on! YouTube's comment filter has become surprisingly good at keeping the really special ones away from me anyways. While you were distracted by the glue up, I quietly made this. 4 boards glued together to add a bit more girth. I've been reliably informed that's something people appreciate. So who I am to argue? Alright, here is your first clue. You've seen me use this technique before, so I'm not fooling anyone for much longer. Yes, we're building Bandsaw box of some sort. Now, what is the Bandsaw box for? I'm not telling you. I've already given away more than I intended, and I'd like at least a few of you to get it completely wrong in the comments. Let's see what you've got. Maybe this will help you guess. We're adding a lining to the inside of the box, which turned into a complete nightmare. This is the 3rd material I've tried. The first 2 clearly had other plans, but thankfully this one decided to cooperate. So here's the 3 tip. Don't cheap out on the materials you use to finish a project. It's a brilliant way to save $3 and waste the next 2 hours of your life. Ask me how I know. The lid's finally out of the clamps, so it's time to flatten it with a hand plane. I don't normally use hand planes, I paid good money for machines, and I'd like them to feel useful. I have to admit, this was surprisingly enjoyable. That's enough hand planing for this month. Blue tape, spray adhesive, printed template. Basically, woodworking with extra stationery. Let's cut the lid out and see whether this thing looks like a masterpiece or something that belongs back in a scrap pile. And just like that, thanks to the magic of YouTube, the clamps are off. In the real world, keep them on for at least an hour. Otherwise, the only thing you'll be building is a disappointment. I've got editing software, you don't. Time to sand this thing, and this one's a little different. For a brief moment, I felt like one of those people cutting diamonds. Not the expensive polished ones. The really rough ones that look like a potato. Right, I need you to use your imagination for a second. Picture me cutting this box in half. Congratulations, you've just seen exactly the footage I forgot to record. That's enough talking from me. Enjoy some music and workshop noises while I finish putting this together. With a bit of luck, it'll still look like I planned it this way. I'll see you in a minute for the final reveal. I hope you enjoyed this scrap wood sunglasses box build. If you did, a like and a comment cost absolutely nothing, which is more than I can say for most hardwoods, or YouTube's patience with small channels. I've picked a couple more videos for you on the screen, so keep the woodworking going. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.